How to enable gyroscope in Undawn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily enable gyroscope in Undawn step by step. The first thing you want to do is to launch open your Undawn game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and from the expanded menu, select Settings from the bottom right. Inside Settings, go to the Firearms option on the right, click on it, and inside Firearms, you'll see the gyroscope switch. Click on Always On, or you may also select ADS option. If you tap on Always On, the gyroscope will work all the time. You can move your device to control aim even when not aiming. If you select the ADS option, then it means the gyroscope will work only when you aim or scope in. ADS option is much easier to control and it is recommended for beginners, and this helps improve accuracy without too much movements. So make your choice, just find one of these options from between the always on or ADS option, and you can now get back to the game section. And that's how you will be able to enable the gyroscope in Undawn game. Gyroscope can feel strange at the beginning, but with a little practice, it really improves your gameplay. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.